Hey guys, I previously made a video showing you how to make a Discord chatbot using Python, but lately a lot of you have been facing problems with the script, so I decided to make an updated version of it. First of all the links and files I'm going to be using in this video will be in the description, so you don't have to worry about that. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So if you open this folder, you'll find two subfolders here. There's the local version and the Replit version. The difference is the local version is the script you'll be running on your computer. So if you, for example, want to play with the script for like 2 hours and then you close you turn off your computer, other people in the server won't be able to play with it as well because it was hosted on your computer. If you want it to stay alive forever, we'll then use Replit, which is a website that allows you to host Python scripts forever, basically. I'll show you how to do that later. Let's first start with the local version. So for this, we need the Discord bot, and I have this empty server here. We'll create a bot and then add it to the server. To add a bot, you'll need to go to this link, Discord, the developer portal, and then click on New Application. Give your application a name. Let's give it Clever. Create. Now you go to Bot, Add Bot, and then click Yes, do it. Now, if you scroll down, you'll find these three options here. These options were added by Discord recently. So in my previous video, these options did not exist. So you'll have to turn them all on. These basically give your bot privilege to see who's in the server and to read messages, etc. So now that you turn them on, we can add the bot to the server. For that, we'll click on OAuth 2. Click on URL generator, bot, and then select administrator. Click copy. Go here and paste that. Let's select the server, deliver the chatbot, and then authorize. God, I hate this captcha. Where's this one? Hopefully nothing's left. There you go. All right. Now the bot is in the server, as you can see, it's right here. Now we need to connect this bot, to connect to this bot somehow. For that, we'll go to this script. First of all, we need to open CMD in this folder. For that, you click on the address bar here, and then you type CMD. Windows will then open CMD in this folder. And then I'm assuming that you all have Python 3 already installed. If you don't, go search for a way to install it. It's really simple. You just download the installer and then run it. Then type pip install -r requirements.txt and then press enter. Okay. Now if we open this script in VS Code, there it is. If you scroll up, you'll find this this token variable here. Just replace. Well, first it's gonna be bot token here. It's gonna be like this, right? And then you need to replace that with your bots token, the one you just created. Click on bot, and then click reset token. Yes, do it. You're only gonna be able to see it once for security purposes, I guess. And then make sure you copy that, paste it here. Oops, this, and then Control S to save the file. I'll talk about this config.json file later, right? It's not supposed to be here. Those are my previous attempts to make this video. Anyways, so now that we pasted this token here, we can just execute the script. Let's do that. So type Python in the CMD that you open in this folder. Type Python discord bot3.py. Okay, so it's logged in as our bot. Now if we go here, you can see the bot is online. Now if we go to config.json, you'll find these two lines here. These two lines basically specify the prefix you'll be using for different things. For the first one is commands. I'll talk about it later. The second one is message. Message is what we want now, because if you type double question mark and then you say hello, for example, the bot will respond to you. So this basically tells the bot that you want to receive an AI generated message. If I, for example, say hello to someone else and I don't want the bot to answer me, I just say hello, and the bot is not going to answer me, right? If you, for example, well, actually, let me talk about that later. So we have that prefix, and we also have another prefix, which is the double. What is this? The double exclamation mark. You can change these, by the way, if you want. Doesn't matter. Just, for example, type your prefix and then Control S to save them. Make sure you restart the script, and it's going to be updated. So this command prefix is used to type to send commands. Oops. Okay. So the command prefix is used to send commands to the bot, like this, like so. If I type help, for example, it's gonna give me a list of all available commands. Now these are the only commands that I added so far. If I find other interesting commands in the future and I add them, I'll make sure to push them to GitHub, and I'll tell you all about them. So sessions will tell you sessions, like, oops, sessions. This will give you all active sessions. Basically, every user in the server will have his unique session, so that, you know, if you're communicating with the bot, you don't want someone else to say something and then ruin your communication with the bot. You know what I'm saying? So if everyone has his own unique session with the bot, if you want to delete your session, just double exclamation mark, and then delete my session. So session successfully deleted. Okay, so now after you delete the session, if you start a new conversation, the bot will not remember anything you previously said to it, because it's a fresh session. Okay, now if I turn off the script, for example, the bot is gonna die, all right? Because it's hosted on my computer. Now if I say, for example, sessions, it's not gonna respond because the bot is dead. If you want it to be alive forever, we'll use Replit. Now go to this website. This is Replit. Create an account. It's fairly simple. You just put username and email, and then you go confirm your email. And then after you create the account, you'll be greeted with this page. Just click on create, select Python, give it a name. Let's give it, I don't know, my Discord chatbot. You click create, and then after the REPL has been made, these are called REPLs, by the way, you drag these files and put them here. Yes, override. And then as you can see here, there's no more bot token string here. There's this thing here, and the reason is because replets, the REPLs inside replets are visible to everyone unless you have a premium account. But in the free version, your script is visible to everyone, so it's publicly visible, and you don't want to put your bot's token here because everyone can see it. Basically, if anyone goes to this link, no matter whether they are connected to your account or not, they will be able to see your script. So instead we'll go to this lock here, key, we'll type bot token, and then here we'll paste this token. Oops, let me actually copy this token, paste it here, add new secret. And before you click run, you want to go to shell pip install -r requirements as well, again, just like we did previously in the local version. Okay, now if I execute this, it should connect to my bot. The first time you execute it, it initializes some stuff, so it'll take some time. Shouldn't take more than 20 seconds. There you go. So there you go, logged in as Cleverbot. Now the bot is hosted on Replit. It's not on our computer, so we can turn off our computer. It doesn't matter. But we're not done yet because the repls inside Replit die after like 30 minutes of inactivity. So for that we need some way to constantly ping this link. Okay, this link that's tied to our REPL. There's a website that does that. You can make an account here. It's also simple. You only have to confirm your email. Once you create an account, click on add new monitor, HTTPS, give it a name, Discord chatbot, and then in the URL we'll paste the URL. We'll just copy it from here. Okay. Leave everything as it is, doesn't matter, and then click create monitor, continue with free, click it twice. There you go. Now this website will constantly ping this link, and so Replit will think that this REPL is being used. It's not inactive, so it won't turn off. Basically, it'll stay alive forever. It does restart sometimes. It does restart for every 30 minutes. It'll only restart the scripts, and that's why I made this config.json file here. You won't be able to edit these from Discord because the script doesn't have access to it doesn't have access to edit these files. Replit doesn't give you access to edit files from scripts, so you have to manually come here and then for example, if you want to remove this prefix completely, the bot message prefix, just change it here, Control S, and then stop the script and run it again. Now if I go here, I say something without the question marks, it'll respond. See, it responded Spanish. I don't know why it responded in Spanish. Let me make sure it's actually English. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, so it's English. Was this some sort of joke, I guess? Anyways, doesn't matter. So let's talk about these other configurations here. I only talked about these. Let me bring the question marks again. Let me stop the script. So we have allowed channels, blacklisted channels, allowed users, and blacklisted user. What are these? So allowed channels, if this list here is empty, like it is right now, it'll respond to every single message it sees from every single channel, even the DMs, even if you send it a DM. But if you only want it to respond, for example, to messages sent to this channel, the first one, you can right click it, click copy ID. In case you don't have copy ID, you can go to user settings, advanced, and then enable developer mode. Okay, you want to enable this developer mode. After that, you'll see this copy ID button here. So let's copy the first channel's ID. If we put that here, okay, if we put that here and save, and then we save that, Control S, and then we run, it'll only respond to messages sent to this channel. For example, if I say hello here, it should respond to it. Really? I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, guys, I'm just an idiot. I forgot that I need to put these two question marks here. So, oh my god. Okay, hello. How are you? So, see, so it responded in this channel. But if I try to send the same message here, hello, it will not respond whatsoever because this channel is not in the allowed channels list. We can of course put many other channels here, for example this one as well, third one. All you have to do is separate them with comma. Okay, I'm not gonna try that because I don't want to make the video so long. Let me talk about blacklisted channels now. So let's leave that empty like that, and then blacklisted channels is the opposite. So if you for example want the bot to respond to every single channel in this server except the middle one, we'll copy the middle one's ID and put it in blacklisted channels. Okay. So since this one is empty, it'll respond to all channels except the one we added in blacklisted channels. Hope that makes sense. So it automatically restarted itself. Let's send it to the third one, which is not blacklisted. Hello. But if I try to send it here, how are you? It is not responding because it's blacklisted. And same goes for users. If you want to only allow certain users to use this script, to use this bot, you copy their ID, right click someone's ID, for example mine, and then put it here. If I blacklist, for example, myself, I'm not going to be able to answer those messages. I'm not going to be able to send, the bot is not going to answer my messages, basically. I got disconnected for some reason. But yeah, you get the idea. My internet is so terrible right now. Actually, okay, I can try that. Okay, blacklisted users. Now I shouldn't be able to send messages in any place. For example, here, here. None of them. I don't get any response back because I'm blacklisted. I think I covered everything, hopefully. If I forget something and I remember that while editing this video, I'll make sure to add it. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully it's helpful, and if you find any problems, make sure to put them in the comments. And if you, of course, appreciate my hard work in making this script for you guys, make sure to subscribe and share this with your friends. Yeah, goodbye, guys. See you later.